welcome to a LeetCode series. This is the second question of our LeetCode series, which is remove an element. So the question is given as here we can see that there is an input array and there is a value to remove. So there will be something like we have to remove an element from the array that they have given us. Okay, so let's read the question too. Given an array nums, okay, so this is the array, and an integer val, okay, this is also given. Remove all occurrence of val in nums. In place, the order of elements may be changed. Then return the number of values in nums which are not equal to val. Okay, so simply what we have to do is we have to just remove the val, means a target value, from the nums, and then we have to return nums as a removed element. First of all, we have to remove the occurrence of the targeted value from the nums, and then we have to print an updated array. Okay, so here is the solution of it also. There is a function named remove element in which we have passed vector nums. Here they have not told us to take the vector, but for optimization we have taken vector as nums, and then int val is given here, and then index. We are taking index for a pointer to a new array. In the new array, when we will be adding our values, so we want a pointer which gets an element into an array, so that we can get a unique identification of that element which is inserted into a new array. So we will use a for loop here, which will run from 0, as if we are having an array. So from 0 to nums.size, means this nums which we are given as an input array, 0 up to the size of the array, and then we are iterating it. Inside that, what we have to do, this is the logic written of it as controlled statements or conditional statements. If nums I is not equal to value, that means that if that number which is currently placed, which is currently pointed by the index, which is pointed by the array itself, by the loop, by this I. If let's take a scenario as 1 2 3 4 5 5 6, and target value is also 5. So what the scenario will happen here is I is equal to 0. So in the first index it is not 5. Second index, third index, and fourth index we have 5. So until the I is not equal to values, we will move elements forward. Okay, we will move elements forward and replace the index, means the pointer which is getting into the new array, equal to I. Okay, we can understand and simply like we have a box full of fruits. Okay, we have three types of fruits: banana, apple, and mango. But there are 2 mangoes inside, 1 apple and 1 banana. Okay, but we want another box in which only unique element are only placed. Okay, so what we will do, first, in the first possibility we have taken a banana, in the second possibility we have taken an apple, in the third possibility we have taken a mango and put it in the another box. But in the next time when we are getting a mango, we will not put in the another box. This is working exactly the same. This is an array, and in the new array we are not shifting the duplicate values. okay, or the target values which they have told us to remove or to replace it. Correct? So this is it. And then we are returning the index at the last moment. So here you can see that 3 2 2 3. So the value is 3. Okay. Case 2 also, we can see case 2 also, that they are printing the numbers that are repeated. Okay. So as I have said, the numbers which are repeated as mango is repeated, so we have to print that mango here. That's it. Thank you.